my dear children. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great, right? Yes. Let's begin our class, children. Are you ready for the class? Very good. So today we can do the activities from your textbook. So all of you, see, after seeing this video, you have to do the activities onto your textbook. Is it clear? Yes. So let's begin the activities. Are you ready? Very good. So today we are going for the first activity from your textbook. So here it goes. What is the first activity? Yes, activity number 1. Add more lines to the poem. So hope you all remember the poem. Ants go marching one by one. Do you remember that? Yes. So how was it? The ants go marching one by one. Hooray! Hooray! The ants go marching one by one. Hooray! Hooray! The ants go marching one by one. The little one stopped to suck her thumb, and all marched down to the ground to get out of the rain. Do you remember that poem? Yeah. So here in this activity, it is telling that you have to add more lines to the song. So what did they give? The ants go marching one by one. Hooray! Hooray! The ants go marching one by one. Hooray! Hooray! And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching two by two. Hooray! Hooray! The ants go marching two by two. Hooray! Hooray! And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Now we have to add the lines. So how, children, how it is? Here it goes. The ants go marching three by three. Hooray! Hooray! The ants go marching three by three. Hooray! Hooray! And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Is it clear, children? Yes, so that is the line we have to add to the song. Clear? Now let's move on to the next activity, activity number 2. Do you know, children, to count? You might have learned in maths, right? To count numbers 1, 2, 3, right? Yes. So here, what you have to do, count the ants and write in the box. So while I count, you should also count along with me. Are you ready? Yes. So first one, how many ants are there, children? Yes, 1, 2. So there are 2 ants. So you have to write in the box 2, T-W-O, 2. You should write not in numbers. You should write like this, T-O-W-O. Clear? Now next one, count with me. Come on, let's start. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many ants are there? 5 ants. F-I-V-E. You have to write it in that box. Next one. Come on, count. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So T-H-R-E-E, 3. You have to write it in the box. Now next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are there? 4. F-O-U-R. Now, the last one. How many ants are there? Only 1. So O-N-E. 1. Is it clear, children? You have to write 1 inside the box. Is it easy? Yes. Now next activity, activity number 3. What they are telling? Underline ant in the words given below. A-N-T, ant. You have to find out where is this ant in the words. Find the ant in giant. Where you can see ant? Yes, the last 3 words, right? So you have to underline that. A-N-T. Now, second one, find the ant in pants. Yes, that also last 3. A-N-T. Only underline ant. No need of S. Okay? Yes. Then next one, find the ant in elephant. Where it is? Yes, last 3 words, right? A-N-T. So you underline that. Next, find the ant in plant. Where can you see ant? Yes, last 3 words. Next, find the ant in antenna. Where can you see ant in this word? Is it last or friend? Exactly. It is in the front. A-N-T. So you have to underline ant from these words given. Is it clear? Yes. So next activity, activity number 4. So here it goes. Match the words with the pictures by drawing lines. So you know how to match the following, right? Yes. So where is giant, children? Yes, under the elephant. So draw a line. Giant to that giant, that is draw a line. Next one, pants. Where can you see the pan? Yes, last one. Very good. Then elephant. Yes, under the plant. So match that. Then where is the plant, children? Yes, the first one. And antennae? Yes, above the pants. You can see antenna. So hope you understood this. Yes, now activity number 5. What is activity number 5? See, look at the names. Can you see the names, children? Yes, there are lots of names given there, right? Yes. What they asked you to do? Write the names in the following columns. You can see both 2 columns there, right? Yes. The first letter of the names in each column should be the same. Find more words with the same first letter from the story. So what you have to do? See, first letter you have to start with A, Aparna, A. And the second column, B, Binil, B. So just find out, children, what will be after Aparna, names which start with A. Exactly, that is Abhinand. So write there, Abhinand. Then next one, Anu. A-N-U, Anu. Then Aparna is already given there, so you don't have to write. Then what? Anil. Yes, then Amal. It all starts with A. Clear? Now the next column, we should write the names which start with B. So see, children, first one, Binil, they have already given there. Now, next one, Binu, then Bama, Bashir, then Babu, Buskara, and Baby. Clear? Yes, so this is the fifth activity, you have to write the names in that column. Is it clear? Now we can move on to the next activity, which is very interesting. Can you see the dots in that picture, activity number 6? Yes, what you have to do means there is someone hiding behind that dots. So you have to join that dots and see who is hiding. It's interesting, right? Yes, so you join it and see who is hiding. Here, and activity number 7, you have to do it. Draw an ant here and color it. There is a box given there. You have to draw the ant inside the box beautifully and color it also neatly. Okay, and you can also name. You can give any name to your ant and you can answer this question that you have to do it yourself. Clear? Yes. Is your ant small or big? If it is big, you have to write big. If it is small, you have to write small. Next one, what color is it? Either it is red in color or it is a black ant. So you have to describe that. Is it happy or sad? Is your ant happy or sad? That you must write it. So draw the ant, picture of the ant very beautifully and color it neatly. Clear? Yes. Now last one you can see in page number 24 from your textbook. If you like the story, 2 ants color the tree trunk. Do you like the story 2 ants? Yes, if you liked it, you have to color the tree trunk. What is the color of the tree trunk, children? Yes, brown. You color it with brown. Then, if you like the song, the ants go marching, color the flower. You can give any color to the flower. If you like the poem, ants go marching. Next one, if you can read the words, color the leaves. See, there are lots of words given there, right? Ant, pen, big, one, small, seesaw. So if you can read that words, you have to color the leaves. Okay? Yes, leaves, that is above the tree trunk, you have to color it. So can you read that word, children? Repeat after me. Ant, ben, one, small, big, seesaw. So again repeat. Ant, ben, one, small, big, seesaw. Yes, very good, children. So you have to color this picture. So tree trunk, you give it brown color. Flower, you can color any color you like. And the leaves must be in green color. Exactly. So this all activities you have to do it in your textbook. Is it clear? Very good, children. So this is the end of this lesson. In the next class, we will be dealing with a new lesson. Is it interesting? Yes. So till then, today's topic is over. Do these activities onto your textbook. Okay? Yes. So today it's over. So bye.